Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, all signs. So, ang tanong, sino ba ang stalker mo? May stalker ka ba? Tingnan natin, no? Siyempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And yes, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. Okay? And kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, message lang po kayo sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, yeah. Let's start. Let's start, Aries. Okay, so sino ba ang stalker mo? May stalker ka ba? Tingnan natin. Sino ba itong nag-i-stalk sa'yo, Aries? Sino nag-i-stalk sa'yo? Okay. The Seven of Swords, yeah. May energy ng stalker. Pwedeng air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Okay, so nagtatago ito. Patago. The Six of Wands, Universe. Yung ba sa inyo, may mga naiinggit? Yeah, may mga naiinggit. Like, tinitingnan ka mula ulo hanggang paa, paa hanggang ulo. Mga ganun. Okay, yeah, the Nine of Pentacles. Pwedeng ikaw itong pwedeng mahilig sa mamili, mga ganyan. Yeah, may mga side eye, mga ganan. Okay. The Lovers. Oh. Oh, ano tong Six of Wands Universe? The King of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. The Five of Chalices. Yung iba sa inyo, ikaw itong single. Okay, the Nine of Pentacles is here. The Two of Swords. May ginawa kang decision before. Pwedeng nag-cause ng separation. Pwedeng yung person mo from the past is still stalking you. Okay, tingnan natin tong Lovers. What's with the Lovers? The Hanged Man in reverse. Tinitingnan nila kung totally naka-move on ka na from them. Okay, the Eight of Wands. So, yung iba rito, pwedeng merong pagtatanong, no, sa mutual friends ninyo, mga ganyan. Okay, some of them, pwedeng ini-stalk ka dahil gusto lang makita kung ano bang nangyayari sa'yo. Okay, ano bang mga ganap sa'yo. Mga ganyan. Okay? So, merong mga naiinggit. Yeah, may mga ganyan. Okay, so nandito si Pisces, si Gemini, water, earth, fire, and air. Okay, next. Taurus. Okay. Taurus placements. Okay. Sinong stalker mo? Okay. Taurus. The King of Chalices in reverse. Pwedeng Pisces. Okay, wait lang po. Okay. So, the King of Chalices in reverse. The Two of Pentacles. The Ace of Chalices in reverse. Meron ditong nagdadalawang isip na mag-offer ng love sa'yo. They're stalking you. Okay, siya yung nag-i-stalk sa'yo. Kung sino man itong parang nagdadalawang isip na mag-offer, na mag-open up, okay, ng emosyon. Yeah. Siya yung nag-i-stalk. The Hierophant. Yeah. Okay, ito ha. Some of you, Taurus, meron kayong correlation. Pero, parang ini-stalk nila like hindi sila sure pagdating sa relationship ninyo. It's like may mga trust issue, ini-stalk niya yung FB mo or what. Okay, may pag-i-stalk, may paghahanap ng kung ano-anong pwedeng dahilan no, para para gawing arguments, mga ganyan. Okay, what's with the Two of Pentacles? Yeah, the Ace of Swords. Ace of Chalices in reverse. The Temperance. Okay. So, iba naman dito, kung sino nga yung hindi nagbigay or hindi nag-offer ng love. Okay? commitments, mga ganyan. Parang nag-i-stock rin sila. Maybe tinitingnan kung parang meron na bang iba, may nauna na ba, mga ganyan. Okay? May mga tanong siya, may mga gusto tong malaman sa'yo, pero hindi pa masagot. Itong taong to is napaka-indecisive towards you. Okay? Siya yung taong sigurista o sigurista, no? Oo. Lalaki, babae. Okay? Pero some of them pwedeng lalaki. Mostly lalaki. Yeah. Ito yung taong like, gusto ka naman, pero hindi niya magawa na maging kayo. Parang ganun. Okay? So, ini-stalk ka niya. I don't know. Pwedeng may sinabi to maghintay. Maghintay ka, Taurus. Or maghintay sa sitwasyon. Kung kailan ready. I think meron ditong nakabinbin na relasyon. Parang ganyan. So, I think, itong taong to, ini-stalk ka. Tinitingnan kung meron ka na ba. Like, may iba ka na ba. Parang ganun. Okay? So, next, Gemini. Sino itong stalker mo? Gemini. Anong meron sa kanya? Okay. Anong meron sa kanya? Dito sa stalker mo. The Ten of Chalices. Some of you, friends mo, family members, nag-i-stalk sa'yo. Okay. Iba naman dito is partner mo mismo ang nag-i-stalk sa'yo. The Nine of Wands in reverse. Okay. What's with the Ten of Chalices? Temperance. The Lovers. The Queen of Swords. The Nine of Wands in reverse. The King of Pentacles. Iba sa inyo father or mother figure ang nag-i-stalk. Ito may naririnig akong tanong. Kailan ba kayo magse-settle down? May naririnig akong ganun. Okay, so siguro mas maraming nag-i-stalk sa'yo na kapamilya mo, kapatid mo, magulang mo. Okay, yan. Kasi iba rito, ang nakukuha ko rito, someone na in a relationship. Okay, pwedeng ini-stalk ka rin ng karelasyon mo. Pero hindi naman para gumawa ng kung ano. Like, tinitingnan lang niya. I guess, mga picture mo, mga ganyan. Pero, ang nakikita ko rito is someone, pwedeng family member ang naghihintay sa decisions ninyong dalawa na magjowa, mag-asawa. Kailan ba? Para may ganun kailan ba? Yes. Ayun ang gusto lang malaman. Kailan ba kami magkakaroon ng apo? Mga ganun. Okay. Yeah. I don't know. Pwedeng iba sa kanila malayo. Relatives. Or relatives ng iyong partner. Okay? Wait lang po Okay. So, some of you, nakikita ko, meron din ditong nag-i-stalk na parang something like regarding sa isang legal action or legal case, mga ganyan. Like, may nag-i-stalk, pwedeng another person, no? Kailan kaya magkakaroon ng like pagka-cut off? Meron dito ako nakikitang person like third party. Okay, may third party dito na nag-i-stalk kung kailan mag-e-end yung connection ng isa. Parang ganyan. Okay, specific yon, hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? So, iba naman dito, yung ibang nag-file or ito, specific, may nag-file dito ng leave sa trabaho. Okay? Be careful. Yung boss mo or someone na pwedeng leader, nag-i-stalk. Tinitingnan kung ano bang ginagawa mo talaga. Maybe, yeah. Okay? So, there. Yeah. So, pwedeng Capricorn, Libra, Sagittarius, Fire, Gemini, and Water. Okay. Next is Cancer. Okay. So, sino bang nag-i-stalk sa'yo, Cancer? Sino itong nag-i-stalk sa iyo? Okay. Sino? The World. Okay. Someone na pwedeng malayo sa'yo. Someone na may nangyaring ending. Okay. Yeah, this is her pass. Okay, pwedeng fixed sign, pwedeng water sign, or maybe ikaw ang nag-i-stalk sa kanya. Okay? Yeah, this is stalking. The Page of Swords in reverse. Okay. The Seven of Swords in reverse at the bottom of the deck. This is something like nag-i-stalk siya dahil meron siyang gustong malaman. Okay? What's with the world? Yeah, the Two of Swords. Six of Chalices in reverse. The Seven of Swords again. Page of Swords in reverse, please. Yeah, meron siyang gustong malaman. Yes. This is your past stalking you. Yep. Ito lang. Some of your friends, pwedeng ini-stalk ka. May mga gusto lang makitang chismis sa buhay mo. Oo. Mga taong kinut off mo. Or mga taong kinut off ka, still they are stalking you. Okay? So, there. Pwedeng air, water, Pisces, fixed signs. Okay? So, next. Leo. Leo, nakita ko angel number 1111. Okay? The Knight of Swords. Okay. The Six of Chalices in reverse. So, ini-stalk ka ng isang bitter ex. Pwedeng water sign, pwedeng air sign. Okay? The Hermit, pwedeng Virgo. The Hermit in reverse. Some of them, may pang-aasar dito. May pang-aasar ako nakikita. Some of you kasi pwedeng kausap mo to eh. Okay? Kausap mo. Or kausap ka. Pwedeng gagawa to ng kung ano-anong kalokohan or like whatsoever, no? Para matrigger ka. Okay? Ano tong Knight of Swords? Yeah, the Star in reverse. Six of Chalices in reverse. The Queen of Chalices. Yes. Okay, yeah. The Seven of Swords. So, yun nga. Kaya sila nag-i-stalk. Kaya sila nandyan. Some of you, itong kausap mo na to na pass mo. Okay? Bitter sila. Actually, bitter sila. Ipoprovoke ka. Okay? And then, pwedeng mawawala biglaan. Kakausap ka, tas mawawalan biglaan. Parang ganyan. Titingnan kung anong mangyayari. Like, anong magiging reactions mo. Mga ganyan. Okay? So, yun lang. So, nandito si Water, Air, Virgo, Aqua, Water, and Air again. Next is Virgo. Okay. Virgo. So, sino ba itong stalker mo? Sino ang stalker mo? Virgo. Okay, Justice. Nakita ko to kanina. Pwedeng Libra. Okay. The Emperor in reverse. Okay, the Empress. Oh. Some of you, itong nag-i-stalk sa'yo is someone na pwedeng businessman, businesswoman, mga ganyan. Someone na pwedeng kasal na, mga ganyan. Ano tong Justice in reverse? What's with the Justice in reverse? The Ace of Wands. Okay. So, I think nagkaroon ng delay dito. Yeah. Ano tong The Emperor in reverse? Some of you, hindi to malayo sa'yo, ha? Okay? Malapit siya. Yes, hindi nga malayo. Okay. Ano tong The Emperor in reverse? Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles. Dumating sa puntong may nag-pause. Okay? May huminto, may naghinto. Parang may nag-stop. Parang ganyan. Okay, ano tong Empress? What's with the Empress? What's with the Empress? Death, yeah. Meron ditong nag-end. Okay, pwedeng Scorpio, Virgo, Taurus, Earth, Aries, Fire sign, and Libra. So, yeah, ini-stalk ka dahil pwedeng may nangyari nga ditong delay or pause, no? Ending, like that. Okay? Yeah, wala naman ako masyadong makita rito. Feelings, wala naman. Okay? Siguro na-intriga lang to. Some of you, boss mo. Some of you, father mo. Mother mo. Mga ganyan. Okay? Like, marami silang gustong malaman sa'yo. Some of you, no, nakikita ka na ibang tao na parang may mga nagbago sa'yo. Kaysa ah, appearance mo, ganyan. Okay? So, this is the Empress. Pwedeng appearance. Yeah. Pero hindi nila yun sinasabi. Okay? Wala lang. Parang, ayun lang yung nakikita nila sa'yo. Actually, hindi ka naman napapag-usapan behind, no? Mga ganyan. Okay, so, Scorpio, Fire, Virgo, Aries, Libra. Next is Libra. Okay. So, sino bang stalker mo, Libra? Meron ka bang heavy stalker? Heavy stalker talaga. Oo, meron ganun. Okay, so Libra. Sino ba itong stalker mo? Meron ba? The Four of Swords in reverse. Pwedeng air sign like you. The Queen of Chalices, someone who has, okay, an emotion. Okay. The Chariot, pwedeng Cancer in reverse. Itong taong to, pwedeng past mo. Still, meron pa rin silang emosyon. Pagdating sa'yo, never ka pa rin nakakalimutan, kahit ginugustong kalimutan ka. Okay? Yeah. Ano tong Four of Swords in reverse? Hirap tong mga tong umusad. Yeah. The Two of Chalices, this is your past person. Okay? Meron ditong parang nahihiya. Meron akong nararamdamang energy na nahihiya. Okay? Yeah. Ano tong Queen of Chalices? What's with the Queen of Chalices? Yeah, the Eight of Swords in reverse. Meron ditong parang nag-open up ng feelings or emotions. Pwedeng ini-stalk ka niya. Okay, ano tong the Chariot in reverse? At the Emperor in reverse. Yeah, may na-intimidate. Your person from the past. Okay? Maybe they're still like stalking you, wanting you, attracted, no? Yeah. May mga taong humahanga sa'yo. Okay, some of you, pwedeng ikaw itong nakakarinig ng magandang comments from them, mga ganyan, no? Okay, so, isa na rin dito si person mo from the past na nag-i-stalk. Pwedeng Aries, Cancer, water, and air. Next is Scorpio. Scorpio, sino itong stalker mo? May stalker ka ba? Tingnan natin. Anong meron sa stalker mo, Scorpio? Okay, the Ten of Swords in reverse. The Sun. Okay. The Ten of Pentacles in reverse. So, pwedeng nagkaroon ng separation. Okay, kung sino man to nag-i-stalk na to, nagkaroon kayo ng hiwalayan. Pero nakikita ko rito, this is like on and off. On, off, on, off, on, off. Parang ganyan. No? Pwedeng Leo, pwedeng Earth, pwedeng Air. What's with the Ten of Swords in reverse? Yeah, the Lovers. Pwedeng on, off, on, off, on, off. Oh, Gemini. Okay? What's with the Sun? The World Universe. So, this is your past, I guess. Or, kakonect mo ngayon. Na talaga namang nasa cycle kayo. Ang hirap nito, Scorpio. Ano tong Ten of Pentacles in reverse? The Six of Wands. Okay. Still may paghanga sa'yo itong taong to. Pero takot silang mag-commit sa'yo. Okay. The Six of Pentacles in reverse. The Ace of Chalices in reverse. So, I guess this person, meron itong gustong i-offer. Okay. Love offer. Pero hindi nila ginagawa. Okay. May nangyaring ending sa inyo. Nagkaroon kayo ng on and off. Like cycle. No, cycle, relation, ayun nga, like karmic, some of you. Okay, so, andito yung, parang gusto nito na maging okay ka. Yes, gusto niya maging okay ka. Some of them pinipili, or pinipilit, na maging okay, kahit hindi. Okay, so, humahanga, if ever na, nakikita ka niya na okay ka, humahanga itong taong to sa'yo. Okay? If ever ito Scorpio, kung ikaw is naging, sabihin nating, parte ng isang third party. Okay? Kung ikaw ang naging third party dito, Scorpio, At kung ikaw ang totally umalis sa connection, malaki ang hanga sa'yo ng taong to. Okay? So, there. Gemini, Leo, Air, fixed signs, water, earth. Okay. So, next is Sagittarius. Sag. Okay. Sino ba itong stalker mo? Sagittarius. Sino tong stalker mo? Meron ba? Tingnan natin. Sag. Meron ka bang stalker? Yeah, meron. This is a big stalker. The Page of Swords. Ito yun. Okay? Okay. The Nine of Swords, Universe. So, itong taong to, kunyari, hindi siya naapektuhan sa kung anong sitwasyon meron kayo. Pwedeng air sign. Relax. Parang ganyan. Pero, thinking, overthinking. They're like sad. Sad. Some of them, making fake scenarios sa mga utak nila. Oo. Ano tong Page of Swords, Universe? May tampo itong taong to. The Knight of Wands in reverse. You have a player, like a stalker na player. Ha? I don't know kung bakit kayo ni-stalk ng isang player. Okay? The Nine of Chalices. They want you. They like you. Some of you pwedeng ini-ignore mo tong taong to, kaya ini-stalk ka. Ano tong Nine of Swords in reverse? Yeah, the Six of Swords in reverse. Iba rito talagang may nangyari ng connection before. Pwedeng ini-stalk ka pa rin niya hanggang ngayon. Yeah, the Two of Chalices in reverse. Itong taong to is naging indecisive. Okay? Pwedeng hindi ka niya pinili. Okay? Hindi ka pinili, inalisan ka, pinabayaan ka. Itong taong to nag-cause sa'yo to ng drama. Nag-cause sa'yo to ng depression. Okay? Ni-stalk ka niya. I don't know why. Okay? So, some of you, if ever meron kang karelasyon ngayon, pwedeng nakikita niya yun, and may regrets. Okay? May regrets itong taong to. Yeah. Water, air, fire, water, air, air. Capricorns. Okay. Capricorn placements. Sino ba ang iyong stalker? Meron ka bang stalker, Capricorn? Tingnan natin. Sino tong stalker mo? Okay. The Star in reverse. Pwedeng Aquarius. Okay. The Eight of Swords in reverse. Okay. So, Capricorn, ang nakikita ko rito is like, hindi ka niya makuha. Na-let go ka. Parang ganyan. Hindi ka niya nakuha. The Fool. Pwedeng Aries. Okay. What's with the Star in reverse? Yeah. The Two of Chalices. Gusto nito ng connection with you. Okay. Pero hindi ka niya nakuha. I think, pwedeng relationship ang gusto niya. Pero hindi niya nakuha. Or hindi niya nakuha. Okay. What's with the Eight of Swords in reverse? Yeah, the Hangman. Some of you, this person is like trying to stalk you nga. Like trying to wait pa rin. No? Naghihintay pa rin to. Capricorn, I don't know why. Yeah, the Four of Pentacles. Yeah. Waiting. The Temperance. Sagittarius energy. Chariot in reverse. Hindi ito nagmo-move on. Okay? Hindi ito umaalis. Nandyan pa rin siya sa energy mo. Pwedeng Cancer. Okay? The Four of Pentacles holding back. Nagiging careful lang sila sa mga gawa nila ngayon. Okay? Some of them may black dito. This is Four of Pentacles black. The Eight of Swords, the Hangman. Yeah, energy ng mga black yan. No? Pero yes. They're still into you. Okay? Into you. Still into you. Oo. Panoodin. Ang tawag doon, yung kanta ng Paramore na is, Still Into You. Yeah, pakinggan nyo. Pakinggan nyo yung song na yun. Still Into You by Paramore. Oo. So, pwedeng Earth sign, Pisces, Sagittarius, Cancer, water sign, Aries, Air, Aquarius. Okay. Next, Aquarius. Okay. Aquarius placements. Sino ba yung stalker mo? The Lovers. Pwedeng Gemini. Nagkaroon kayo ng connection nito. The Three of Swords in reverse. The Hanged Man in reverse. So, nangyayaring pwedeng pinagmo-move onan mo to ngayon or pwedeng pinagmo-move onan ka niya ngayon. Nangyayaring nagkaroon kayo ng relasyon nitong taong to. Okay? Romantically. Okay? Romantically. The Lovers. Yeah, the Queen of Swords. The Three of Swords, please, in reverse. The Knight. The King of Chalices in reverse. What's with the Hanged Man in reverse? Ang lakas ng Pisces dito. Yeah, Pisces. The Moon. The Star. Aquarius placement. So, yun nga, healing. Nag-heal, nag-move on itong person na to sa'yo. Pero, yes, they're still stalking you. Every time, pwedeng mostly sa gabi. Mostly. Okay? I don't know why. Tingnan natin. What's with the moon? What's with the moon? The King of Pentacles in reverse. Pwedeng itong taong to, tinitingnan kung meron ka ng person. Okay? May iba ka na ba? Like that. Okay? Hindi nila totally, like, kayang maging responsible pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Pwedeng tinalikuran mo, tinalikuran ka. Yeah. Takot siyang ma-cut off. Takot siyang ma-reject. Okay? Yeah. Waiting. Pero parang ang pinapakita nito parang wala siyang pakialam. Yes, but yeah. They're stalking you. Okay, Libra. Excuse me, Libra, Pisces, Capricorn, Pisces, Air, and Gemini. Next is Pisces. Okay, some of you pwedeng Scorpio ang person mo. Pisces. Okay. Or pwedeng may Scorpio na nag-i-stalk sa'yo. So, sino ba ang nag-i-stalk sa'yo? Pisces. Sino ba ito? Anong meron sa kanya? The Ace of Wands universe. Nagkaroon kayo nito ng sex-based relationship. Hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? Nagkaroon kayo ng on and off nitong taong to. Yeah. Yeah, the Devil. Yes, this is sex-based. Capricorn. Yeah, the Hierophant. Pwedeng Cancer. Taurus. Ace of Wands universe. The Hermit universe. Pwedeng Virgo. Puro ito major arcana. Okay, ano tong the Devil in reverse? The Eight of Wands. Okay, what's with the Hierophant? The Queen of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may mga ka-workmate kayo na ini-stalk kayo. Okay? Mga ka-workmate na ini-snub nyo kung mayroon kayong mga ini-snub. Yung mga snub, pagdating sa workplace, kahit sino mang nag-i-snub sa inyo, tinatry kayong stalk nyan. I don't know. Okay? I don't know. Parang wala naman kayong pakialam sa kanila eh. Pero nakikita mo, parang ini-ignore ka or ini-snub ka. Yeah, ini-stalk kayo nyan. Okay? So, yung person mo na nagkaroon kayo ng on and off or sex base, ini-stalk ka rin. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, karelasyon mo pa to. Yeah. Lumubog lumitaw. Parang lumubog, lumitaw siya. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, merong gustong like lumapit, no? To seek help, no? Financially, I guess. Parang ganyan. Tingin sa inyo na ibang tao na nag-i-stalk is mapera. Pero, andyan yung kuripot. Hindi ko sinabing kuripot kayo pero yun ang sinasabi. Yun ang sinasabi nung nag-i-stalk. Kuripot nan. May pera nga, kuripot naman. Parang ganun. I'm sorry. Aray ko. Okay. Yeah. Pinag-iusapan ka nila behind you. Behind your back. Pinagchichismisan ka. Oo. Pati relationship mo pinagchichismisan. Yes. Okay? So, yun lang. Sila yung mga nag-i-stalk sa inyo. Marites sa labas, sa opisina, sa company, kung saan man kayo. Kasi kayo mapadpad na may kakilala. Yan. Okay? So, ano yan? Tawag doon, kumpulan, tampulan ng chismis. Okay? So, there. Yun ang ating reading for all signs. So, thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye!